Hi, I'm Michelle with Michelle's Macarons, and today we're decorating some Harry Potter macarons. Okay, so we're just gonna start with plain shells from whatever macaron recipe you'd like. If you haven't made them before, go watch this video and then use the recipe from there and just pipe regular circles. And slam your trays down. Then you're gonna let them dry until you can lightly touch the top and it's not sticky, and then bake them and let them cool. I like to use these Food Writers. It's edible ink. You can use any edible ink you want. I just like the tips on these. I don't know, this is one of my first decorating videos, so let me know how I can help you create this kind of stuff. Would painting be easier instead of markers, or do you want me to do little drawings you can print out and practice on? Like, do you want me to try to make stencils or something on how to make these? Comment below how I can help you make these better. But what I do is kind of sketch these out on a piece of paper first, then go in and draw them on your macarons. If you want to see more videos like this one, hit the subscribe button below and the bell next to it to be notified when I come out with a new video. Okay, now you see how that's kind of rough? That's why I like a finer tipped marker, because it takes more time, but I can go back in and correct the areas that are jagged. Because if I were using a thick marker, I would only really have one chance to make the circle perfect. But here I kind of fill in the areas that aren't perfect. See how I like correct around that area? If you're enjoying this video, let me know by hitting the like button below. Anyway, then fill them with whatever filling you want. And then refrigerate them at least 8 hours, but if you can, 24 hours. Okay, and there's a link in the description to the recipe that I use to make macarons. And if you'd like, you can follow me on Instagram and Facebook, and I'll put links to those in the description below. And if you have any questions about making macarons, join the Michelle's Macarons Facebook group and post your questions and pictures in there. Check out these other macaron videos. Okay, love you, bye.